How to master .NET interview. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Vikas Kerni. I have more than 20 years of experience in IT industry. Do subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Hello friends, this is the video part 2. In part 1 I posted how I used to interview candidates. My name is Vikas Kerni. I have more than 20 years of experience. I used to be consultant, and now I have been in a company where I used to be a consultant where I used to face a lot of interviews. Now I work for a company where I interview candidates. In part 1 I discussed how I used to ask a particular question. So some candidates complained that it was a not very nice interview. The interview was not aimed at knowing the candidate, is just suspecting them. So I took that feedback. I was interviewing a one boy who has a couple of years of experience. It was not going well, and that guy smiled and asked me some questions. For example, I was asking him generics. He asked, "What is generics?" And then I thought, oh my God, if somebody has been doing programming for 5 years, these questions won't matter. I immediately changed the format of my questions. I made it more generic questions, and it worked very nicely. And we interviewed the we I end up liking the guy. We hired him. Everybody liked him. So what are the questions I ask now? The first question I ask is, what is the biggest technical challenge that you have faced in your current or any other project? You went out of your way to solve it. The problem defied all logic. So the candidates who are very good candidates, they give me a very good story. Some example how their application was having some memory problem, how it was having some performance issues, how they debugged the problem, how they went under the hood and faced the problem. So this questions, first of 5 minutes I come to know. Uh, if some candidate is very good, or architect level who know what are the under how the things work under the hood, I know this is going to work well, and it works well. If somebody says, "Oh my God, it was a difficult project. The project logic was very complex. I was working on some new technology like AngularJS for first time. That was a challenge." To me, those are routine challenges, continuous learning. So if you are asked this kind of question, have a story where you have to really scan the Google to find out there was something crazy happening under the hood. And it's a, if you are into profiling, uh, you like in-depth analysis, it's time to show off. Second question I asked, your website is slow. How do you debug it? So at this point, for me, it's opportunity to know how the application has laid down, how the candidate is good at debugging performance at the browser level, at the .NET level, at the database level. So then I go more in depth, ask him databases question, middle tier questions, front end questions. So third question I ask is, you have to build a web page. Tell me what steps you will take. So again, the good candidates tell me how they will build a data layer, business layer, front end layer, what good practices they will use. So this is another opportunity for me to ask more deep questions about database technologies, object oriented programming techniques. So then I asked some other questions. So I like this way of interviewing. Is This way of interviewing is more conversation driven, where you make the candidate at ease and have a nice conversation. Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Kerni. I have more than 20 years of experience in IT industry. Do subscribe to my channel for your regular updates.